Biden.
Yes.
Your Artemis Team 2.
Hey, Artemis Team 2, how you all doing? Look, I want to thank you for your incredible service. The mission you're about to go on, the United States is going to return people to the moon. It's hard to believe for the first time in over 50 years. And the worst part is I can remember exactly where I was when they announced that man that has landed on the moon. Doesn't mean I'm old, it just means you guys are moving quickly. But anyway.
We definitely want to start, the crew would like to start with thank you very much for your trust. We'll make both of our nations, U.S. and Canada, proud in this mission. There are thousands of people across both nations and actually around the world working to get Artemis 2 off the pad successfully. And just thank you for placing your trust and our nation's trust in this crew.
The world just holds their breath when things like this happen, and I know it, but you know, the work you're doing is going to inspire countless people around our country and the world. It's going to lead so many students and scientists, engineers, and innovators. They're going to show they can do it too. And by the way, I know there's a lot of kids among all of you. If you guys won't come to the White House afterwards, I'm going to invite your kids anyway. Is that okay?
Absolutely, Mr. President, that'd be awesome. We have all the kids around so they can hear your words.
Well, I tell you what, you must be proud of your mom and your dads. It's just incredible.